Poem. In a peaceful and quiet neighborhood where sunlight warmed the rooftops during the day and soft streetlights glowed gently at night, a hidden secret existed that no human had ever discovered. A secret world that awakened only after midnight, guarded and cherished by the cats who lived among the humans. Among all these cats was Milo, a warm brown cat with bright golden eyes that reflected curiosity and courage. During the day, he behaved like any ordinary pet, stretching lazily on soft cushions, napping in warm corners, and rubbing his head against his owner's leg for affection. But when the clock struck 12, everything about Milo changed. He would quietly slip out of his home, his paws barely making a sound on the empty streets, and walk toward an old, forgotten alley at the end of the neighborhood. This alley, with its cracked walls and scattered leaves, seemed completely normal to humans, but for the cats, it was the doorway to their greatest secret. When Milo arrived, his friends soon joined him. Luna, the elegant white cat whose eyes sparkled like stars. Shadow, the sleek black cat who could run faster than the wind. Ginger, the playful orange cat with a brave and loving heart. And Coco, the tiniest yet wisest cat who understood things others never noticed. As the 5 cats gathered, the old broken wall began to shimmer, revealing a glowing blue door that only feline eyes could see. With a soft hum, the door opened and welcomed them into Cat's Wonderland, a magical world filled with colors and wonders beyond imagination. Trees that glowed in soft shades of pink, purple, and blue, a river flowing with sweet silver milk, floating clouds shaped like cushions that the cats could leap onto, and a sky filled with sparkling lights that danced like tiny stars. This world was perfect, peaceful, and created for cats to explore, play, and protect. But one night, when they entered the magical land, something felt terribly wrong. The glowing trees appeared faded, the milk river had almost dried up, and a cold, dark smoke drifted across the sky, carrying an uneasy feeling that made all the cats stop in their tracks. Luna looked toward the darkest corner of Wonderland and quietly whispered, "The dark woods. The smoke is coming from there." The dark woods was the only place in Wonderland that even the bravest cats feared. A shadowy forest filled with thick fog, strange sounds, and magic that felt twisted and dangerous. Milo stepped forward with determination in his eyes and said, "If we don't stop this darkness, Wonderland will disappear forever." Together, the 5 cats began their journey through the eerie woods. The ground was covered in thorny branches, shadows moved silently between the trees, and the fog grew thicker with each step, making it hard to see. But despite the fear and danger, the cats stayed close, their trust in one another giving them strength. After a long, intense walk, they found Elder Aloe, the wise old owl, whose feathers were worn and whose voice trembled as he spoke. He told them that a powerful black crystal had awakened at the heart of the woods, absorbing Wonderland's magic and spreading darkness everywhere. "If the crystal is not destroyed," Olo warned, "your beautiful world will vanish." Without hesitation, Milo and his friends continued deeper into the woods until shadow creatures surrounded them, dark, silent shapes born from the crystal's power. Shadow dashed around them with lightning speed, confusing them. Luna used her glowing light to blind them. Ginger bravely fought to protect her friends, and Coco used her clever tricks to distract the creatures. Finally, they reached the center of the woods where the black crystal stood, pulsing with dangerous dark energy. The air around it felt heavy